Have you ever tasted a snack so comforting? It instantly takes you back to childhood? In today's video, we're exploring 5 delicious homemade Indian snacks that carry tradition, nostalgia, and unforgettable flavors. Snacks you rarely find in restaurants because they're made with love at home. From crispy South Indian classics to spicy steamed delights and comforting tea time treats, these recipes are true hidden gems passed down through generations. And if you want the complete recipes with detailed ingredients and step by step preparation, visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Some foods are more than recipes, they're memories. These homemade snacks were traditionally prepared in Indian kitchens by mothers and grandmothers using simple ingredients but incredible techniques. Unlike restaurant food, these dishes were never commercialized, which is exactly what makes them so special. Every bite carries warmth, culture, and a sense of home. Today, we'll rediscover 5 such snacks that deserve a comeback in every modern kitchen. First comes the crispy and flavorful Thavla dosa, a hidden South Indian treasure from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Unlike regular dosa, this version doesn't rely on long fermentation. It's made using rice, lentils, coconut, cumin, and aromatic spices that create a beautifully crispy texture outside while staying soft inside. The sizzling tempering of mustard seeds, curry leaves, chilies, and coconut gives this dosa its unforgettable flavor. Serve it hot with coconut chutney, milgai podi, or even butter and jaggery for a delicious traditional experience. One bite, and regular dosas may never feel the same again. Next is the soft, aromatic, temple-style tumbler idli, also known as Kanchipuram idli. This isn't your everyday idli. Infused with crushed pepper, cumin, ginger, curry leaves, and coconut, these idlis are steamed inside steel tumblers or cups, giving them a unique texture and shape. Traditionally served as prasadam in temples, tumbler idli beautifully combines spirituality and flavor in every bite. The rich aroma of ghee and spices makes this dish feel festive, comforting, and deeply satisfying, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a healthy evening snack. If you love crispy textures and protein-rich meals, Thawal Adi is something you absolutely must try. Made with rice, lentils, coconut, ginger, chilies, and traditional tempering, this thick South Indian pancake is crispy on the outside and incredibly soft inside. What makes it special is the cooking method. The batter is partially cooked before being shaped and roasted slowly on a tawa. The result? A hearty, filling snack packed with flavor and nutrition. Pair it with coconut chutney, avial, or even jaggery and butter for an authentic homemade experience. Now let's move to something steamed, spicy, and completely addictive. Pudi kojukattai. These soft rice dumplings are tossed in a flavorful homemade spice powder made using roasted lentils, sesame seeds, red chilies, and hing. Popular during festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, this snack is healthy, light, and packed with traditional flavors. Since it's steamed instead of deep fried, it's also a guilt-free evening snack option. Simple ingredients, but incredibly satisfying. And finally, the ultimate comfort tea time snack, crispy bread rolls. Golden and crunchy outside, soft and spicy inside. These rolls are stuffed with mashed potatoes, ginger, chilies, coriander, and Indian spices before being deep fried to perfection. They're easy to make, impossible to resist, and perfect for rainy evenings, kids' tiffins, or sudden snack cravings. Pair them with green chutney, tamarind chutney, or hot masala chai, and you have pure comfort food magic. What makes these snacks truly unforgettable isn't just the taste, it's the memories attached to them. During the lockdown, recreating these recipes became a way of reconnecting with childhood memories, family traditions, and generations of cooking wisdom. Recipes like Thawal Adi, Tumbler Idli, and Pudi Kojukattai weren't just dishes. They were emotional heirlooms lovingly passed down through families. Watching children enjoy these forgotten recipes for the first time brought those memories alive again. Because some foods don't just feed us, they connect generations. Traditional homemade snacks like these remind us that the best food isn't always found in restaurants. Sometimes, it's hidden inside family kitchens, handwritten recipes, and memories passed down through generations. If you enjoyed discovering these unique homemade Indian snacks, do check out the My Zone section of our blog, where food meets emotion, nostalgia, and real life stories from the kitchen. For complete recipes, ingredient measurements, and detailed preparation methods, visit our blog using the link in the description below. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic food stories, traditional recipes, and hidden culinary gems. See you in the next video.